it's Pete again from the Kilted Kiln. I thought I'd do a quick little video regarding the 10 most frequently asked questions when it comes to birthday parties and events. Number 1, Paul Schaefer, here we go. How many people do you need in order to reserve the party room? 7 or more. Is there a cost? There is no facility cost. Can we bring food and drinks? Heck yeah, you can. The Kilted Kiln is BYOWHATEVER. Will you open before or after regular hours for my party or event? Yes, we will. What is the difference between painting in the main room versus the party room for birthdays? There's a lot of space. We can seat up to 26 people comfortably. There's actually we have up to 4 folding tables for presents, food, gifts, whatever. Presents and gifts are the same, huh? Can we arrive early to set up? Yes, you can. How does the pricing work for birthday parties? It's the studio fee plus whatever you set as the limit for the kiddos to paint. So if you want to do a $12 limit, the studio fee is $4 for 12 and under. I will waive the studio fee for the birthday girl or boy. How long is a typical birthday party? 2 hours. You can make it longer as long as I don't have anything going on. Typically you paint first and then eat and open presents afterwards. Can we pre-order items? Yes, we can. I can give you, there's a lot of yeses here. You getting that? I can give you the websites of my distributors if you want to do a theme party like princess, mermaid, whatever. Is there a deposit? No, there isn't. However, I will break your kneecaps if you don't show up. That's a joke. Thank you.